Okay, here we go today. So today we're gonna have to so you have to click on the app once using left click, then right click. Then if you, depending on your operating system's version, you have somewhere along here you'll have run as administrator, and if you do show more options, this is like the old version, the Windows 10 version, and I'll have run as administrator there. And if you click that, it will allow the app to have extra capabilities. And for this app, the app for our app, we need to have access to administrator access, so you can block websites, because that requires administrator access, or else you can't access that file. Additionally, you can also go into your Windows Start button, go to Start here, and then if you go search like any app, for example, I'll search a Bandicam, which is what this is being recorded on. You can either right click, run as administrator, or you can go over here and it will say run as administrator here. And that's another way for our app. You can use run as administrator and turn that on. Okay, good luck.